Combining header, nav, main, and footer genuinely builds a real, complete, correctly structured page layout. In this video, you'll assemble all 4 real sectioning tags together. This real header genuinely combines a heading and navigation. Nav commonly, genuinely nests inside header. Main genuinely holds the real, single primary content distinct from the real header nav footer surrounding it. Footer genuinely closes out the real page with closing content, completing the real four-part layout. Header genuinely commonly contains a real logo title and nav together. Main genuinely holds the single real primary content area. Footer genuinely closes the real page with closing secondary content. Build a real complete page skeleton using all 4 sectioning tags together. Ready to use the real article and section elements correctly?